guys, oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Can you guys believe it's already December? It's December 1st. Oh my god, that is insane. First of all, where did the year go? I can't believe we have 31 days left until the new year. Like, are you kidding me? There's something about like after summer that the year just runs by you. Like, it was literally just August and now we're in December, and that's just like, my mind is like right now. So what I really like to do to set the tone for the month is to clean my house. When I tell you my house is in shambles right now, like there's so many things all over the place that's like not in place. I had such a busy weekend. Okay, my dad came over, he painted my room, which you guys will see in a separate vlog. I'm not sure like how everything is flowing right now. All I know is that I've been filming and putting things together. So yeah, this past weekend my dad was just here. He was painting my bedroom, which I freaking love the way the bedroom is coming out. I don't know what it is. I think I'm having second thoughts, although it's too late and I have to commit to it. The only reason why I'm having second thoughts is like I just made my room darker, you know, and it was like really light and bright, and I'm thinking about like filming now, like, oh, that probably will change the way I film because my room was so much brighter. But does it really matter? No, because I don't really like to film in my room anyway. I only like to do like small little clips for you guys. But I don't know, I'm just getting in my head, even though I've been loving it all these days. Today I woke up, I think it's my period. I did just start, okay. So my energy is actually not even that high right now, so I want to clean my house, right? I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how I'm gonna feel as I start, but if I need to stop, girl, I'm gonna stop. And if I want a coffee, I'm gonna have a coffee. They always say, oh, don't have a coffee when you have your period, but that, okay? I need the caffeine. So yeah, you guys, I had a really super busy weekend. Like I said, my dad came over. Not only that, it was Thanksgiving weekend, so I was busy with that. I helped my mom out with her Ralph Lauren themed Christmas and Christmas theme. And it came out so nice, so pretty. I had a really good time filming with her. If you guys did not check out that TikTok, you should. My Dominican mom wanted a Ralph Lauren Christmas, or as she says,
Rafael Lourdes.
So we're gonna show you how she decorated her house for Christmas.
It's time!
Oh, wait a minute. I did some Black Friday shopping. Well, I literally only bought one thing, and I had such a miserable time that it took me like 2 days to recover from the trauma that I went through. I'm being dramatic, but you know, after Black Friday, I was just like, I'm just gonna be in the crib. But like today is the day where I really do need to clean, especially like this corner right here. This corner is crazy. These are all of the things that were in my bedroom, and I took them out while my dad was painting. I figured we can declutter together, and we'll see. We'll see, because right now my hands are crossed, right? Because I don't want to do this. So one thing I really like to do at the start of the month is to like reflect and write things down, because I do have a section in my planner. I don't know if you guys can even see, but I do have a section in my planner where it says highlights and notes. So I'm just gonna take the time out and put some highlights of November. I can't believe there's only one more month left in this planner. This was like the best planner I ever bought, and I got this at Marshall's. Honestly, it was the best because it had so many sections where I was able to like write things down, but I also had a calendar, and then I could put things down in each individual day, and then it had quotes on top. Like, this was like the best planner I ever had. Look at me, and I felt so organized. Like, I got to write down all of these different things, and I honestly feel like, and you see it has like little quotes here, I honestly feel like I had such a good year. You guys, it's been a couple of hours. I actually completely forgot to check back in with you guys because after I cleaned, I was exhausted. Like, I was so freaking tired that I didn't move from my couch for a really long time because I also did laundry. So I had a really good reset, you know. Right now, I'm just editing a vlog to catch up on some editing because when I tell you I'm so backed up on all of my content, like YouTube, Instagram, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, because I don't know if I ever mentioned this here on my channel, but I absolutely hate Instagram. Like, I don't even like posting on there because my videos just don't do well. I don't know what it is about that platform, but it just does not like me. But anyways, for real, I have videos since like summer that I still haven't finished editing because my mind, like, I'm just constantly moving, constantly doing things that, yeah, I write things down, but then like I forget to like look back at what I was supposed to be doing, and then I forget when I'm cleaning out my camera roll, like there's so much content that I don't get to post, and I want to stop doing that. So I'm gonna make sure that by the end of the year I push out all of my content. And so yeah, I'm just sitting here editing. I had a really nice cup of warm milk with cinnamon. It was really nice. And then I threw on this movie on Netflix only because the actress that played Cher from Clueless, this is her movie. So I was like, oh, let me put on a cute little Christmas movie. And last night I watched the Lindsay Lohan one. I think it's called My Little Secret or Our Little Secret. I had watched that last year and I thought it was so cute, so I threw it on yesterday. You guys, oh my god, have you watched the Selena documentary? Because when I tell you it was waterworks, like I was crying so much when I saw Chris and he had the letters of Selena, because I can relate so much to that. Like, I have all of Benny's letters, I have all of the artwork he has given me throughout the years, birthday cards, Valentine's Day cards, just because cards. Like, I got so many memories. And so when I watched that documentary and I saw, I don't know, something about just seeing Chris on the screen, like, I'm like, I understand. Like, even the body language, even if he doesn't say much, I fully understood him, because it's hard, you know. It's really hard to be a widow, and it's hard to speak on someone, you know. It's never easy. There's days where you can do it, and then there's days where you're like, don't even bring it up. Like, there's times where I can't even look at Benny's photo, like. But yeah, if you guys haven't watched it, highly recommend it. So good. I feel like I got to know Selena on a different level, you know. But yeah, that's how I'm gonna end my night. It's already 9:30. I should be resting, but no. I'm gonna keep going because you know what, I have the energy, so why not? I can edit until 10 and then go to sleep. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you very soon. Hey guys, it is the next day and it is so cloudy and gloomy today. Like, it's like the perfect cozy day to like stay in. I did have to step out though. I had to buy a hair product. Oh, let me show you. I bought the L'Oreal Bond Repair Concentrate. Every time I blow out my hair, I'm pretty sure I have a video here on my channel of like my post blowout routine, like how I want to prep my hair before my curls. I like to use a bonding repair, so I don't have the Olaplex on hand, and obviously I can't walk anywhere to get the Olaplex, so I settled for this one. This one is very comparable anyway, which reminds me, I started using this product, you guys, non-stop for like the past couple of weeks. I have to put you on. Hold up, let me go get it. It's the L'Oreal Glossing 5-Minute Lamination Mask. When I tell you, my hair is so shiny, beautiful, defined, hydrated, easy to comb, like everything that I freaking love in a product, this does that for me. I'm obsessed. Like, I've been testing it out before I, you know, bring it to my social media. Wow. This is such a great product. I actually went, when I went to the pharmacy earlier, I wanted to get this for sure and get the shampoo and conditioner. They didn't have either. They didn't have this line or nor this line. Everything was like mix and match. Like, I would see the shampoo for something, but the conditioner something else. And I didn't want to do that. Like, I just wanted to try like the full line together. I don't want to rant about this too long, but if you guys haven't tried this, this is so good. It's basically just a 5-minute glossing mask. Leaves your hair super shiny, perfect for blowouts, and it works really well with curly hair. But it's gonna be my first week without using it because of, you know, my blowout. I want to do my pre-poo, and I'm also gonna do this hair mask. Let me show you really quick. I'm gonna do the Olaplex Rich Hydration Mask. It's a really nice mask, you guys. I've used this a couple of times. I was actually part of their little campaign for it. I had to do a video for them when this first dropped, so that was nice. Get rid of my blowout, even though it still looks really nice and it looks so good. My roots are so oily anyway, and plus it's not practical, you guys. Like, I want to get back in the gym. I'm ready for this break that I took. I want it to be over. Hey guys, it is the next day and the curls are back. I'm feeling really good this morning. I got my gym fit on. I'm ready to work out, and I just wanted to show you guys my hair. She's looking real good, okay? Nice and fresh. The only thing is that my bangs are getting long. So I'm still debating whether or not I want to trim them or let them grow out. So I had every intention to show you guys my curly hair routine because I feel like it's been so long since I've done one for YouTube, but I ran out of space on my memory card and I didn't have time to clean it out until this morning. So sorry I couldn't take you guys along with my little, you know, hair routine, but you know, we got it done, okay? I'm feeling really good this morning. I can't wait to get back in the gym. Today we're gonna do upper body. So yeah, today is a very busy day for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my workout so that I can go ahead and cross off my to-do list. This is the last month. We gotta lock in. We gotta get everything done, you know, feel good while doing it. So yeah, you guys, let's do this.